At around 2:30 p.m. that day, the at around 2:30 p.m. that day, God fucking damn it, bro. Fuck. At around 2:30 p.m. that day, the fucking hate myself, dude. Okay, I'll put this at the end of the video. Fuck this. Because the gas was heavier than air, it sank to the ground. And because of the strong winds that come on that fuck. Because of the strong winds that come in off of Lake Erie, the gas found its way into the sewers via the storm drains. Manhole covers for the sewer to go fucking flying, with one ending up several miles away in the neighborhood of Glenville. Oh fuck, the camera's on. Despite this though, no actual damage was caused and it was believed that the disaster was contained. So any spectators that were there just went home thinking that the fire... Can you guys hear that? My neighbor's fucking yelling at his dog. Anyways. As the explosion traveled through the gas lines, the people that had sought refuge in their homes had but a mere split second to react before the flames came through the sewers and up their drains and set everything on fire. At 3 p.m., one of the aforementioned tanks decided... Fucking itch! Cock! Oh, fuck. At 3 p.m., one of the aforementioned tanks decided it was going to pull a Beirut and proceeded to fucking level an entire square mile of Cleveland with an explosion that was 1/6 the power of the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Structure were fucking gone. In all, around 600 people were left. Why did I place emphasis on people? What the fuck am I, dude? God. In all, around 600 people were left homeless. The East Ohio Gas Company, shockingly, or not shockingly, we consider how much companies can get away with here in the US, was not held responsible. And whilst they did pay more than $3 million to help rebuild the community, and along with another $500,000 to the families of the 55 fuck in the gas industry, you see, the crazy Cleveland cock-up above fuck! Oh, fuck. You see, before the crazy Cleveland cock-up, above-ground natural gas storage tanks were a common sight across America. But the great gas goofball of 44 brought that all to an end. And almost all liquid natural gas is now stored underground. No, I'm going to cut that. Considering all the meth labs the fireball would be likely to encounter now, I get a feeling that Ohio Fucks OSHA Part 2... I get the feeling that Ohio Fucks OSHA Gets Explosive Part 2 Electric Boogaloo might go fucking supernova. Anyways, I'm the last Ohioan. Thank you for watching.